Welcome. In front of me is an Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass to this tiny little display. So to get started, I'm going to be using this tempered glass from this manufacturer. Now, by the looks of it, from what I've seen in the package, it looks like a pretty decent option right here. It comes with an actual tempered glass, and it has basically everything that you'd expect to come included in the kit. Now, additionally, I'll also mention that even though I'm recording this using an Apple Watch Ultra 2, this will also work the same way for the first one, because these are the exact same displays, I mean, at least sizes. And this thing is labeled as Apple Watch Ultra, just the first one, but it's basically designed for this one as well, because nothing has changed in terms of the dimensions. Now, inside here, you will find our little package. Nothing in here. So in here we get our tempered glass, we get a tiny little cloth to clean off our display, we get a wet wipe, and we get stickers. Now these are actually quite funny, because these come for like normal phones, so you would use them to either guide. So you place these like on, if I bring up the phone for instance, you place these somewhere here and here, and when you're plopping the tempered glass, you then lift up the stickers to lift up the tempered glass. Obviously, just the one to remove dust is covering almost the entirety of the display, as you can see. So it is taken straight from the phone. Kind of funny that they included it in here, nothing smaller or whatever, but in any case. So we got wet wipes. I'm gonna start off with that one, so we can clean off our display pretty nicely. Now in the package we actually get a pretty decent sized wipe here, unlike some other ones which come with like these tiny little wipes, which are basically a quarter of the size of this. There we go, good enough. Now let's grab this one and wipe it down. So it is right now, you can see, pristine. Now I'm gonna keep the little cloth over the display, just so if any dust would settle, it will settle on the cloth instead of the display. Now let's get our tempered glass. So we have only one sticker right here, the number 1. When you peel that off, whatever you're going to be holding here is what you throw out, and you're left with the other hand, which is what I will be holding here, with the tempered glass and the sticky side on this side. So you'll then put it on like this. So let's clean off the area right here, and basically when you're placing it down, start off by placing it at an angle instead of like completely flat at an angle, and start off with probably the top, which will be easier because you can hold from the bottom, and just make sure you align it correctly right here at the very top of the bezel. So just I recommend dry fitting it right before you apply it, before you take off the sticker right here, and just seeing how you would need to place it to have it evenly placed on the entire display. So for me, it's somewhere around like this. There is a very minimum amount of bezel from the display being visible. So anyway, gonna lift it up, give it a last clean, and let's get to it. Forgive my head for getting in the way. Okay, I think I placed it perfectly. Now it hasn't glued yet, so I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm gonna apply a little bit of a pressure. Oh, just things shifted. And there we go. We do have a little bit of a fault right here. You can see this at the very bottom. Looks like something got under there, or maybe it's just a faulty kind of manufacturing, which sometimes happens, because I'm pretty sure there was no debris on this to actually come under it. But it's literally off the screen, like it's on the bezel of the actual display in the black area, so it's not going to be like interrupting my view of the actual display itself. So there we go. And as you can see, it's nearly perfectly placed. So there we go. Pretty simple. I recommend taking your time with this, just so you can get it perfectly. As you've seen, I was just trying to align it perfectly, taking my time. On the watch and this kind of small display like this, it will be fairly visible if you shift it a little bit too much to the left or right. And even right now, even though this is placed almost perfectly, I can still see that I have like a probably 0.5 millimeter or less space right here, which I don't have right here. So it's visible, but it's obviously margin of error, and you should expect such a thing. The more time you take, it will probably come out better if you just try to like align it very well. One more thing that I can say is when you place it down, there is a chance that it could be maybe able to shift it by just pushing the glass from the very edge before it sticks to the display, just to align it perfectly. But I tried to do this and it didn't want to budge for me. I didn't want to push it too hard, so I stuck with this, which is still pretty good. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.